Hi there, I'm Beth, and today we're ready to present a new Smart Doll product. It is the Smart Doll Head wall mount, modelled and printed by my husband Craig. I had asked him to help develop this wall mount as a way to nicely display the extra Smart Doll heads I have. I wanted something wall mounted because my studio is so very cluttered and full. We went through various iterations and tweaked the design until it was functional, appealing, and practically printable. Some pieces are printed in a specific orientation for maximum strength and flexibility where needed. We will be selling these at bethramsden.com in both physical and digital forms. Yes, this means you can print your own, as many as you need. We have printed some of these in natural coloured filaments and some in fantasy colours. I think both work really nicely, as I know a lot of people out here have some fantastically different custom heads. If you're buying one printed by us, it'll arrive with the smaller pieces padded and contained inside the chest cavity. Locate the small opening here at the bottom of the back plate and open it using a flat-headed screwdriver. The smaller pieces are inside. This is the neck peg, separate so it can be replaced if needed, and for strength too. It simply slots into the top here. This piece will fit into the shaped recess in the back plate. It's also printed in order to flex slightly and hold the torso in place, while also allowing it to be removed and swapped out. Installation will vary depending on what type of wall you're securing it to. Plasterboard, lath and plaster, or brick. You may need to use roll plugs. Here I'm using a piece of tape to mark where I want the bottom centre of the wall mount to be. I measure the distance from the bottom of the mount to the bottom of the back plate. It's 1.5 centimetres. I make a mark 1.5 centimetres above my tape and line up the bottom of the back plate with that mark. I then use a pencil to mark where the two screw holes should go. Use a spirit level to get the back plate positioned properly. I just eyeballed it and mine is a little squint. Then, using the appropriate drill type for your wall, prepare the holes for your screws. Again, these should be appropriate to your wall type. In my example here, I'm just screwing directly into the wall. Use both screw holes to affix the back plate to the wall. Make sure the separate piece is also screwed into place the right way up. Once the back plate is secured, you'll be able to slide the torso piece into place from above, pushing in towards the bottom to lock into place. As you can see here, The back plate allows the torso to be lifted off again and again, and even swapped out with different coloured torso pieces. So that means once you have your back plates in position, you can mix and match colours as you please. The Smart Doll head is then simply placed on top. It can be rotated easily. There is space to allow wigs to be worn as well, and longer hair can be arranged neatly around the shoulders. I tested this with the bulkiest wig I have, Coco Beyond's Twist Out wig, and even that managed to fit without a problem. I played around with different options to give you some display ideas. I even managed to stretch a t-shirt and the default sports bra around the torso too, although I wouldn't leave them on there as the tension would stretch out the clothes and possibly damage the mount. Another option is to display a scarf on the torso too, with a matching hat, like these from Sarah at Octopudding. I believe there's lots of ways to create a stunning wall display of your favourite floating heads. Please head over to bethramsden.com to check these out in the store. We will make a limited number of different colours available, dependent on the filaments we have available. And of course, you can buy the digital files to print them in any colours you choose yourself. I'm excited to see how you choose to use yours and look forward to sharing some more Smart Doll projects we have in the works too. Something you might have seen teased recently? Thanks as always to my fantastic patrons, and a warm welcome to the newest members, Tracy, Gemma, Valerie, and Sarah. Some of my patrons are trying out the new Obitsu Blythe neck adapters for me, and they've met my newest Smart Doll too. Links in the description if you'd like to join. Thank you all so much for watching. I'd love to see your comments below letting me know what you think of our new Smart Doll head wall mounts. And one last request. If you enjoy my Smart Doll videos, free sewing patterns and tutorials, please follow the link in the description to the official Smart Doll Creators nomination form. You can vote for me as one of your favourite creators there. I would be so honoured to be on Danny's list of creators one day. Thank you, and until next time, take care. Bye!